Let's just make a mistake so I could show you how to fix it. So do you see how these are bubbling to the side? That's called crowding. You want to let your beads have some bead breathing room. You don't want this hump. And let me show you from multiple angles. So you can stop here and remove the bead, or you could do a quick trick that I do is break a bead. Now you don't want to break your thread, so let's keep that needle there to help us guide us. You only want to take the bead from the side. If you're going to think about it like a donut, we're going to just take one side of the donut and break that side, not trying to break the whole donut. So here you go. Your needle is parallel to your pliers. You're just going to give a gentle squeeze, and that's going to break that. Don't forget, beads are glass. You want to be careful with the shards. I always use a bead mat to collect all my dust and then clean that off later. And do you see how your beads have now created a nice line again? That is an error that often happens to new beaders. Don't crowd your beadwork. You always could get rid of a bead. There's no mistakes, just happy accidents. And there always, you could either keep it or leave it. So we're going to go through the last 3 again so that we're done. And we got our first line going up and down. So now we've done so many rows and we're now ready to finish off.